All right, well, this is a potato plant. This is my first year of digging up some potatoes, and I don't really know what to expect. We didn't plant these this year. They just kind of came up from a couple years ago. I tried to plant some and they didn't seem to come up, so I noticed some potatoes pushing their way up out of the ground, and then I was sure that we were going to get a harvest. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and dig these up. You recording now?
It is.
All right, well, there's one. Three. Four. Pretty good. Not a potatoes, it looks like. Okay. Down. Those are some big potatoes. Well, with all the work I put into them, I didn't even know they were here.
Oh!
Well, in the Back to Eden garden, they put wood chips on top, so I tried that in these beds. It seems to be working good. My tomato plants grow like crazy down here, and the guy off of Back to Eden, he always plants back the biggest potato back in the ground. Said he's been eating the same potatoes for 20 years or something. And I know they say, other people say it's not good to plant back, but I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. And this ground gets kind of tight and compacted down deeper. So, must be below the wood chips that I put in there a couple years ago. These potatoes, if they're the ones I planted, well, if they come out of my compost, they're just the store-bought potatoes. I didn't buy any specific kind or anything. They were going bad, and I took some of the potatoes and just stuck them in the ground out here, and then they didn't come up. And then this year, these plants come up looking like potato plants. So, I kind of let them grow. Anyway, that's just one plant. Alright, so what's the biggest one here? That's the biggest one, so it's going right back in there. Well, I think I'm going to leave these ones go a little longer because they still look healthy. Maybe they'll get a few more potatoes that way. All right, that's it.